How's it going, everybody, and welcome to another video. On this video, I'm going to show you how to dress up your shop a little bit. As you can see, I've already gotten started, and basically what I'm doing is just taking some 2x4s, cutting them up on the bandsaw into thin strips, and tacking them up on the wall. Obviously, applying some stain first, and then tacking them up on the wall from there. For me, I've been staring at this insulation for a long time, and I'm just getting kind of tired of it. Took the afternoon off from work to come home and take care of this real quick. Thought I'd make a quick video and show you how I do it. So let's go. Okay, so now that I got all of those cut, it's basically time to do some staining. I'm going to keep it real simple. All I'm going to do is just brush off any loose dust, get some gloves on and some little towels, and let's see, I have Early American and Red Oak, just to give the two-tone look, like I said, what I've already done here before. And you know, another thing, while I was cutting, I got to thinking, what would this cost if you were purchasing the 2x4s? I personally did not. I got them for free. But let's assume you did purchase them. A 2x4 is, you know, $3 to $4. I kind of wonder what that is per square foot. Now, I don't have that figured up just yet. Maybe I'll do that afterwards and flash that up on the screen right about now. That'd be interesting to see, again, if you were to purchase all this stuff. But for now, let's get to staining. Oh, let's get this old guy down on the floor here. Okay, so now that all the staining is done, now's the best part, is actually getting to hanging all the boards up, which is pretty simple. Basically, I'm just going to be holding up the board, determining how long I want each one as far as where it's going to fall on the studs. Looks like this one actually, I'm going to be going right up to this electrical box, so I'll be cutting it off right there. Other than that, simply just grab your nail gun and pop away, and there we go. So I'm gonna get started. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video for now. One, my back is killing me, and two, the wife and son are about home anyway. So like I said, I gotta wrap this up. So, you know, the purpose of this video wasn't to show you a grand finale of this whole shop done with this wall here. This was just a little step-by-step process for me to get done whenever I can. You know, ultimately to show you what you can do with a couple 2x4s. Technically, I used about 2 1/4 boards and of course some stain. Speaking of stain, that brings up a good question for you. What do you think? Think I should keep staining all the way up here on my French cleat wall? I'll probably let this video go for quite a few months before I make my ultimate decision. So if you do want to see the final product, well, you know what that means. You're just gonna have to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you all on the next one. Bye-bye. Helps when you have enough air in the tank.